This is the most extreme makeover I think I've ever done on my channel. What the fuck was that noise? Did you hear that? I have been in a fucking rut all week for some reason. I caught myself, you know, in my deep bag. Why? Hello? Why is this lighting? Whatever, ignore it. Just something crept up on me. Sun setting at 4 p.m. type shit that's making me feel some type of way. I haven't really done any, I'm just gonna be like this the whole time. Honestly, this is how I feel right now, just stressed. I don't know if you guys can see, but I've been breaking out. Also, my roots are growing out. I've dyed them today. I think I'm gonna put some fake tan on. I'm gonna do hella skincare. I'm gonna dye my eyebrows. I have a whole list of stuff that I wanna do today. And you know what's so weird is I noticed that if I'm ever in a rut or not being productive, doing shit like this makes me feel better on myself and more in control, like ready to take on the day. But yeah, I'm gonna reset. I'm gonna fucking clock myself, do a 180, and get my life together. Yes, I have so much I'm about to do, so I'm going to rush before the sun sets. I hate it here. Yeah, so without further ado, subscribe, like, comment, and give this video a thumbs up. Share this video, helps me out a lot. Share it with your mom, your aunt, your teacher, your dentist, your nail tech, your doctor, your local cashier. Like, just share. Hey y'all, okay, so I'm gonna take my hair down and I'm gonna do my hair first. I'm gonna dye it first. I actually slept with braids in, so my hair is like really puffy and not cute. But okay, so I'm gonna use box dye, and I know you guys are gonna fucking come for me. Oh my god, my hair looks so crazy. But I'm gonna hop in the shower after this, so it's not a problem, not an issue. By the way, you guys, I had extensions in, but I took them out. They were tapen, so like there's a little bit of leftover glue. My hair is a disaster. That's one of the main things I need to fucking address today. Since there's gonna be a day that I actually dye my hair back to blonde. I don't dye like my whole head. I like avoid doing my roots on the bottom half of my head because number one, it doesn't show, and number two, it's just like a waste. So like I just do the top part. So it's gonna be kind of quick. How do I look? I don't think I've ever looked this crazy on YouTube. I mean, I've done some crazy shit, but like this look I'm serving right here is beyond. I've been using this one because it says there's no ammonia. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh. I'm a mess. Oh my god. But this is like the brand I'm using. It's Clairol. It's vegan. There's no ammonia, which is like the #1 bad ingredient in box dye. This one seems better than like, I don't know. Probably not, but oh well. I'm using it anyways. This is the developer and this is the colors. I'm gonna put them together. Why is it not opening? Oh. I'm really lazy right now, so I don't feel like changing. Plus I'm about to shower anyways. Like there's no point getting into like whole ass other outfits. So much effort, right guys? Oh, I'm so stupid. I love doing this. I'm gonna shake this. I hate having short hair, but I had to cut it recently, which was a very sad day for me. I don't want to close this because I feel like the echo is gonna be worse, and also you can see my ring light, but like who cares? You guys are probably wondering why I'm using my fingers. I honestly feel like it's just easier. It's also faster than using a brush. You guys, I literally didn't even use like a third of the bottle. There's so much left, so I think I'm gonna save it. And yeah, that's it. Oh my god. Where the fuck did I put the little cap? Oh, is there even a cap to this? Hello? Oh, there is. Great. Ew, I just touched something wet in my garbage. How do I attach this? I think I'm gonna tape it or something because I never know how long to leave this on. Just remembered I want to do a white strip. I just use the Crest white strip. These are like the normal one. Ooh, 1 hour express. No, I'm gonna do the 30-minute one. I'm estimating that's how long I'll be in the shower. Showering as a girl is a fucking full-time job and I'm sick of it. So sick. Let's pop this bitch on. I actually usually will leave these on for like 2 hours, which is probably not good for my teeth, but like I'm just crazy like that, I guess. Okay. It's not sticking. What the fuck? It's not sticking in the back. Oh my god. Hello? It's like not oh. I just got out of the shower. I shaved, exfoliated. You guys, I fucking cut myself while I was shaving. I cut myself on my ankle and also on my wrist. Bitch. Also, I have a question for you guys. Do you shave your arms or not? I feel like everyone I ask is like 50-50. Some people do religiously like me and some people don't shave their arms, but I do. So, oh, what the fuck was that? I'm definitely gonna have to keep this dark hair. After this, I'm gonna go back to blonde and stay blonde forever. So I feel like I might as well make the most of it and keep my black hair for like another year or something. I'm gonna put a face mask on. Guys, this has been like my religion It's like a little green tube. I'll link it down below. It's so good, you guys. I've tried so many different charcoal scrubs. Honestly, none of them work as well as this one. It absorbs all the oil in your skin and it also helps so much with blackheads. Like, other than this, I don't know what to do about blackheads. Everything else I've tried, like the pore strips and all that stuff, like have only been like short term. The old facial girl I used to go to, but I haven't gone in a while because COVID, hello. She told me that if you have acne prone skin or oily skin, you should use a charcoal mask like once a week. Also, exfoliating twice a week is really important. Not exfoliating is like the main cause of blackheads and acne. Suddenly this is a skincare routine, but exfoliating is really important because if you don't exfoliate like twice a week, that skin cells and oil and sebum and all that stuff like builds up in your pores and causes breakouts. Oh my god, and also, I can't snap. I can only snap with my pinky. Like I can't snap like, yeah, I suck at snapping. I was about to say something really important. Queen of short-term memory loss. Oh, girl! Number one tip, you guys, and this goes for everyone. You have to wash your face for 60 seconds. Dead ass. Time it in your head, 60 seconds. But if you wear a lot of makeup, you dead ass have to like massage your skin, get in every little crevice. It helps with your collagen production. It helps with acne. It helps with makeup removal, blackheads, pore size, skin tone. Like literally name anything and that will help you so much. I noticed after I started doing it, like the redness in my skin started going down. My texture, like poof, gone. My skin felt like a baby's fucking butt. And this all started because I saw someone on Twitter, this dermatologist that I follow. Her username is LA Beautyologist. I'll have it on the screen, you guys. She basically coined this and I've been using it ever since. It changed my life. Since today we're doing the absolute most, I'm gonna be using a sheet mask too now. Right here, I had a huge pimple, but it's already flatter. But I think I'm gonna use this one. So I got my little face mask. This is the purifying one with cactus. I'm about to look really scary. Second mask of the day. This is extreme. I just ripped the mouth part by accident, but I guess that works out for me so that I can talk to you guys. You guys are like, oh my god, please let this girl shut up. Unfortunately, that's not happening. I feel so done. This is amazing. I'm truly having such a great time. Chestnut praline lattes are back at Starbucks. I honestly don't know how to describe the flavor, but all I can tell you is it tastes like Christmas, sitting by a campfire in a cabin in the mountains, chestnuts roasting on a motherfucking open fire, bitch. And it is so good. It is so wholesome. It is so pure. Someone take this camera away from me. I'm doing too much. I'm gonna show you guys hair care. I use two things and that's it. I'm trusting you guys to leave me a comment and let me know if there's something you guys recommend for like hair repair, hair thickening, damaged hair, like that type of thing. This is the spray that I mentioned earlier, the intensive spray. This is for thickening and it's by Bondi Boost. And this works. This, I feel like, this actually gave me a huge difference and I'm running out. But I like drown my hair in this. Oh my god, it's about to be golden hour. Ew, because of daylight savings, but like, aw. I wanted to get golden hour pictures, but I'm nowhere near fucking ready right now. And then for frizz, I use the John Frieda Frizz Ease. Yeah, I don't use a lot of hair product. That's literally all I do. Okay, so I'm gonna dye my eyebrows now because I haven't done it in a while. I actually filmed a video about how I do this, so I'm gonna cut to the point. So I use men's facial hair dye on my eyebrows. It sounds crazy, but it saves so much time when I'm getting ready because my eyebrows are basically already filled in. I have really blonde eyebrows, and since my hair is darker, it just saves me so much time when I do this because I don't have to fill them in as dark. So I just mix the developer and the color, and then I use an eyebrow brush. Treat this as if you're literally filling in your eyebrows, and it lasts for like 2 weeks in your eyebrows. I'm gonna start tanning now. This is the Bali Body self-tanning mousse. I haven't fake tanned in like the longest time ever. I think I'm only gonna apply it on the top half of my body. I'm gonna be wearing pants. Hello, it just hit like 30 degrees in New York, so I think I'm just gonna do the top half. I'm gonna try and show you guys a little bit of this, but obviously we don't want to be inappropriate. It's supposed to go in like long circular motions. Oh my god, it's so hard to see with the ring light on, but I think that's good. I think this is the 8-hour one. I usually like using a 2-hour express one. I'm gonna finish doing this and I'll be right back. Just tried to throw a peace sign. So I'm gonna do some skincare now. So the first thing that I'm using is my spot treatment. I almost feel bad telling you guys what this is and like how good it is because they actually discontinued it. They were still selling some on Amazon, so I bought like 9 of them. Like I don't even want to tell you guys what it is because you can't buy it. This is like the only spot treatment that's ever worked for me. It's the Tria Positively Clear Spot Treatment. Maybe you guys could still find it somewhere, but I don't know where to like link it. Like it looks like that. I don't do like a crazy amount of skincare. You don't need a lot of product, to be honest with you. The most important thing is like eating well, also washing your face properly and exfoliating. But this is a Derma E vitamin C concentrated serum, and this is a vitamin C serum, so this also helps with brightening up dark spots and acne scars. It gives me like a nice glow. So I've been using this for like I think a little over a year, and it's organic, so we love to see it. Next thing I'm going to use is also by Derma E. This is their moisturizer. It's in the same collection. So it's a vitamin C renewing moisturizer with probiotics, which are so good for your skin, you guys. You can even take like little like supplements of probiotics, but basically what they do is it's like a healthy bacteria that clears out toxins in your body. I use it in my moisturizer, and I also take probiotic little supplements. You can just find it at the health food store, and it helps so much when it comes to bacteria and acne and stuff like that. The last thing I use is this Carmex lip, like Vaseline. I just put it on my lips because my lips get really dry when it gets cold. All right, so hopefully my skin clears up after all that. Okay, so now I'm gonna move to my little makeup desk. We're gonna do some hair, some makeup. I'm gonna keep it short because I feel you guys know how I do my makeup. It's like always the same thing. Changed into like a different outfit ensemble I think 4 times now. This is actually where I'll film like my sit down videos. I share with my sister in New York, so I need to get some extra storage for my clothes. I'm gonna plot right now. I have a few ideas of what kind of outfit I want to wear. It's really cold outside, so I have to kind of plan around that too. Then again, I also want to get a little picture, so like, do I suffer or do I stay warm? Much to think about. I'm thinking my first outfit option. Oh, why wouldn't I fucking drop it? I'm thinking my first outfit option is gonna be involving this shirt because this has been my favorite shirt. I love sage green. It's literally everything to me right now. These jeans from Urban Outfitters, the BDG label, I don't know. Earrings. I need earrings. I don't have any gold hoops, so that's an issue. I actually just ordered some for Black Friday, so they're on the way. Probably this necklace because this is from Vivienne Westwood. You guys, I wear this every single day. It's my favorite necklace of all time, and it goes perfectly with this, so I'm gonna wear this. And then this bitch, maybe, no. No. Maybe this one, girl. That could be cute. Or maybe not. What if I do this one? I'm so indecisive. Wow. Alright, so for this outfit, I'm thinking these zebra pants because I just got these. Alright, that's first. I feel like the top doesn't really matter that much. Maybe I'll wear white. This is like a really small neckline, especially my makeup and my hair. So this neckline No. I also have this one, which is zip up, so that could work. Yeah, all right, yeah. Cool. And then I'm gonna wear this coat. This one is from Misguided, I think. And it's just like a shiny black puffer coat. So that's happening. And then definitely silver hoops for the win. Definitely. And I actually have a little zebra bag. I don't know where the fuck I got this. It's really cheap. Could have been Depop. Not sure. Alright, so that's another outfit option. I can't think of another outfit. I wish I had someone just to come into my house, look at my clothes, and pick shit out for me. A stylist, yes, but like not pay them. Maybe a sweater. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I have it. Okay, so I'm gonna wear these. These are from Christian Sex Club, which is a really weird name, but it's this designer. And yeah, he makes these really cool sweats that I love. This is the blue version. These are really perfect because they're super thick and warm. I have this black cropped sweater. Very random, but let me know if you guys want to see like a little room tour. Our rooms are dead ass like a dorm room, so it's like split down the middle. I decorated it really cute, so I'm like very happy with it. Yeah, once I clean and all that, I can show you guys like my makeup collection, my filming setup, and then like my room. Let me know if you guys want to see that. And then I'm thinking these Jordans. This is the coat I'm gonna be wearing for that first outfit, but I think it would look good with this too, but I'd have to try it on, so I'm gonna try everything on. The puffer coat might be better though too. So okay, those are my 3 outfit options. I'm gonna try them on now and show you guys. I'll come to my final decision. Okay, so here's this outfit. I don't think any of this works, especially with my hair. Like the hair just doesn't really go with like a sweatpants kind of vibe. I love the shoes and these sweatpants. It actually looks really cute. And like the coat and stuff, I don't know. It's just a little odd. So I don't think I'm gonna wear this. This is like better, but still something is like off. I don't know what it is. I also just don't feel like wearing this for some reason. It's a lot of black. It's cute, but like I'm gonna keep it in mind for future reference. I'm not gonna wear it today. All right. This was so much cuter in my head. It looks kind of crazy. First of all, you can totally see my bra. I'm wearing like a nude bra, but you can still see it through this shirt. I don't know, like, that's why I hate wearing white shirts, because it's always so see-through. Like either way, even if it wasn't see-through, the neckline is so weird. Like either way I wear it, it just looks like strange. So I don't think I'm gonna wear this. But like it's cute in theory. Like the bag and the pants are like so perfect together. I think the coat is like really cute. So I'll figure this one out though. I'm definitely gonna wear this outfit in the future. I think this is the one. Like this is a good base. I think I'm gonna wear this coat. It's a little bit like not on theme, but I feel like because it's not on theme, it like works. I think it also matches the hair really well. And I'm probably just gonna wear Nike Air Force One. But yeah, alright, so this is it. Let me know if you guys like the style of video or style of get ready with me, because I can do more like picking out outfits and styling clothes. So I think it would be fun to do like little styling videos and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm squatting. I'm a little bit delusional right now because I've been filming for such a long time, but I'm ready to take on the night. Let's fucking do it. I'm gonna take some Instagram pictures because I feel cute. Okay, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys.